Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, igboticnono. Hope you have subscribed to this channel already, guy. If you clicked on this video, why don't you just subscribe? Subscription is free, you know. Your subscription motivates me. Aside the fact I like what I'm doing, I keep saying that, right? But that is just the truth. Oh, you probably clicked on this video because you saw the title, Igbo is difficult. Please, I'm not even here to support you. Igbo isn't difficult, and that is why I have brought about this video. Today's video, I'm going to be telling you the ways to establish your language skills. Just listen and watch to the end of this video. You surely benefit from what I'm saying. And number one here is practice daily. Practice daily. What do I mean here? What I mean here is like you should save up videos and consistently go back to read, to watch, and of course refresh your memory. Guys, sorry because of the way I'm talking, because my braces has entered the next stage. Now I put rubber bands. See, so I'm wearing rubber bands here, and that is the reason why it's basically difficult for me to pronounce some words. Please pardon me. So back to what I'm saying, save up videos and watch consistently. Go back to those videos, watch it, and of course you're going to be very perfect at it. Like I always say, I have a language I'm learning. See, I save up videos in my watch later, and I still go back to it to watch whenever I try to recite the language that I feel I've learned on my head without even talking to anybody. And the ones I missed out, I go back to it to refresh my memory. That is why I said you should always save my videos on your watch later, so it will be easy for you to locate what you want to refresh your memory on. And number two here is maintain consistently. See, guy, girl, don't be shy to speak this language. See, don't be shy to speak and fail. Don't be shy to speak and not get it correctly, because trust me, the more you fail, the better you become. When you make mistake and somebody corrects you, you pick on it and become better. But when you leave those bad language, you think you don't know how to pronounce very well, or you think you don't know how to put in this tenses very well, when you just leave it within you, you wouldn't know you're making much mistakes. And when you make mistakes and go back to see the correct thing, yourself hasn't told you anything. But when you speak it out and somebody else corrects you, you immediately remember what that person told you that very day, and before you know it, it has mastered in you. So I always say maintain consistency and speak. Even if it's wrong, speak it, and when you're being corrected, you become better at it. And number three here, I would say, is take advantage of different platforms. Don't be shy, and don't be shy to ask questions. Yes, take advantage of different platforms and don't be shy to ask questions. What I mean by that is, you know, some of these Igbo channels have their pages on Instagram, have their pages on Facebook and stuff like that. Don't be shy to be on these channels to like ask your questions or listen to what they're saying, whatever the message they convey in Igbo. Don't be shy to ask questions, what it is and stuff like that. So basically, don't be shy. Basically taking advantage of different platforms, just where you can learn this language without, you know, without you seeing it as obligation. You get, without you seeing it as an obligation or mandatory something, just you seeing it as a freestyle thing, and on the long run you're learning this language. Do you understand? Next one here is to be strategic in views. What do I mean by that? Basically, in my own terms, I would say you shouldn't be shy to mix around. Don't be an introvert in case like this. Yes, try to be an extrovert in cases like this, so that you can be able to learn, of course, meet people of your type that wants to learn this language, or people who already know how to speak this language, and they are able to help you and they are willing to help you on the journey. Do you understand? So that's what I mean by that in my own terms. I want to say here, you should connect with various people. Yes. This brings about the last thing I said. Yes, being an introvert and extrovert. Yes, it's almost the same category of my explanation here. Yes, try to mix around. Connect with various people. Yes, guys, in learning language, you cannot be inside your house and expect to learn this whole language as soon as possible. Yes, you're watching my videos, you're watching other platforms in Igbo, but also try to mix around. Join some voluntary organizations, yes, that are, you know, within the area you are, and you know mostly they are dominantly Igbo people around that area. Try to join one or two programs. Yes, you're not doing it because you're less busy or stuff like that, but you're doing it because often those are the people that are going to be speaking this language you want to learn, and you'll be learning it faster than you think you wouldn't. Yes, you can, if you go to church, you can also join some church programs, because often they like to speak in their dialects. Nobody got no time to start speaking English and stuff like that. So just join, let's say, church programs. If you're in Nigeria and you're on the eastern part, this pays you well. join church program, they mostly speak in Igbo language. Yes, they mostly speak in Igbo language. So join church programs. Even if you're not in Nigeria or you're outside the country, even in the church, join church programs. Some people there also speak your dialect, and they are willing to speak what you understand, and they're willing to teach you. So don't be shy. Try to join voluntary organizations. Try to mix around. Try to meet people. Don't just stay indoors and expect to know everything you want to know. Like language I'm learning right now, there's this thing we call practice cafe. You just go to this cafe, and people who are learning this language are also there. We're just there speaking this language, and some people who know more than you are correcting you. You wouldn't be surprised that there are some people that you know more than there that you're also going to correct. So meeting people, gathering of the same motive can also improve in your language skill learning. So guys, this is basically what I have for you here. So just know that Igbo is not difficult to speak. No language is difficult to speak if you're willing, and if you've decided, and if you've told yourself, I must learn this language. So I just feel that no language is difficult to learn. It's for you to decide and tell yourself, I must learn this language, and put these things I just said here in practice. Being consistent, saving up videos on your watch letter, mixing around, being strategic in view, connecting with people. Yes, these are the things that are going to help you to learn this language very fast and as soon as you thought you wouldn't. Do you understand? So thank you guys for watching this video. This is what I just brought for you today, like a motivation to tell you to keep going, you're doing good, you're doing fine, and I'll see you guys in my next video. To have a lovely day. Bye.